How to check mobile data uses. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To check mobile data uses on your Android device, first locate Settings app from your home screen, open it. Now tap Mobile Network. So depending upon your Android phone, the feature or the option might be on connection or sharing or on the mobile network. In my device, it's on mobile network, so let's open it. Now locate data uses option and open it. And here you can easily see that from December 18 to today, there is 0 bits of data uses by the application. If you wish to see the different date ranges data uses, then you can easily swipe from the left to the right in this way. And you can see from November 18 to December 17, there is 0 bits of data uses by application. So, if you wish to make changes on the space like data uses limit, data savings, and network access, you can easily open each of the option and customize it. So, in this way, you can easily check mobile data uses on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.